Pressure and Pascal's law. Let's look at some of the learning outcomes. Understand and define pressure as well as different types of pressures, and define Pascal's law and utilize it in problems. Pressure is defined as the force acting normal to an area divided by the area. P average is equal to F over A, where P average is average pressure, F is normal force, and A is the area of the surface on contact. Absolute pressure is the actual pressure at a given position and is measured relative to the absolute vacuum. Atmospheric pressure is the absolute pressure that is measured at sea level. Gauge pressure. Gauges are often used to measure pressure relative to the atmospheric pressure. The absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. Pascal's law says that the intensity of the pressure acting at a point in a fluid is the same in all directions. Here, P1 is equal to P2. This means that F1 over A1 is equal to F2 over A2, and then we can get the ratio F2 over F1 is equal to A2 over A1. This also means that any pressure increase at one point in the fluid will cause the same increase at all other points within the fluid. If one of these points gets an added pressure of 5 units, that means all of these points will increase by 5 units. Let's take a look at this example. The mechanics of a pneumatic jack used in a service station is shown in the figure. If the car and lift weigh 5,000 pounds, determine the force that must be developed by the air compressor at B to raise the lift at a constant velocity. Air is in the line from B to A. The air line at B has an inner diameter of 1 inch and the post at A has a diameter of 12 inches. First, understand that the weight of the air can be neglected. Now we can find the average pressure at A. Due to equilibrium, the force created by the air pressure at A is equal and opposite to the weight of the car and lift. Therefore, the force at A is 5,000 pounds. Now, to find the average pressure at A, we'll just use the formula pressure is equal to force over area. Doing this, we'll get an answer of 44.21 pounds per inch squared. That's the pressure at A. Now we can find the force at B. Because of Pascal's law, the pressure is the same in all directions. Pressure at B is also 44.21 pounds per inch squared. Now we can find the force using the formula pressure times area, giving us a force of 34.7 pounds at B. Let's summarize what we learned. Pressure is equal to the force over the area of the surface that is in contact, and Pascal's law says that the intensity of pressure acting on one point is the same in all other points of the fluid.